don't know, I think Ella's trying to move up in the herd. See her doing these little interactions like, you better move. Like right now, I think she's trying to push this big red chestnut around, but I've seen her pushing this big old white horse. Don't you bite my hand, dude. Hi, what you doing? Ella must be just feeling herself today or something. I ain't never seen her rise that frisky. Yeah, she's having none of it. She's like, you better get my space, man. A little squeal. I'll see here. Flash! Oh, geez, Flash. Flash! Hey, handsome boy. Get out of the face. Get out of my way. Both of you knock it off. Oh my God. I can't even film this guy. Flash! What are you doing? Let me get over here. Flash! Hey, boy. Big, beautiful boy. What are you doing? Hello, Flash. Hi. Hello. Want to smell me? You do smell? Yeah, it's a good boy. He's not the most, he's very friendly and very calm. He's not the biggest on being petted. Oh, got some ear pinning going on from Benatar over here. That was cool. Show him, Flash. Show him what you got, boy. Mr. Macho Man. Little Ella's like, I don't want it, I don't want it. Ooh, ear pinning from Ella. Ella telling Flash to get out. Move it. You better go. Oh, Ivy. Hello, Ivy. Oh, here goes Cinderella again, feeling spunky. She's riding Kick Zone though. This is Ivy, one of our, I think our only easy girl. She's a little spooky though. Oh, here comes Brandy. This is Ella's mama. Hey, Randy. What are you doing? Easy girl. No. You can smell. No, no nips. Flash is just feeling himself today, and so is Ella. It's wet and damp and cool out. It's like 40-ish degrees out right now. I can't believe Ella's rearing up. I'm trying to get the most out of this interaction, but everybody's like following me. I've never seen them interact like this. Wet. Oh, they're playing. You get him, Ella. See, now this is play. This is not dominance. The main reason you know that why is because the ears are not pinned and there's no squealing. Here goes Ella filling her oats again. There she goes. Oh, she's herding that white horse. Look at her. Oh goodness. Here comes Ivy. Here comes Ivy. This is crazy. I've never seen this herd act such great. Oh man. Hello, Benatar. Oh, here they come again. Hello, Benatar. Everybody just feeling it today for some reason. I think Flash is gonna do something. He's got to walk to him, tossing his head a little like he's got a. There he goes. He's picking it up a little. He's thinking about doing something. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Pressuring that white horse. He must be at the bottom of the herd right now, despite him being big. See, Flash herds Ella, but he kind of dotes on her, honestly. I always make a joke because he's always calling for her. I was like, there goes your boyfriend. Daggone. They are just chasing him all over the place. Ella and Flash running about. Ella, daggum, going up the hill. Jumping across the creek. Get back here, I'm not done with you yet. Oh geez, it got all foggy. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh Lord in heaven, okay. I don't know if y'all are just feeling good or what. LOL, this is the most I've ever seen you run in your life. Ivy's feeling it. Look at her tail up. Benatar's joining in. Oh, sugar. Ella's out here in the middle of all this. Ivy is like, let's do it. Y'all ain't got nothing on me. Get out of the way, Benatar. Ooh, that big old chestnut's like, no sir. Flash is hurting Benatar. Ivy is hot to try it. She's like, let's go, let's go. Classic